In this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Ultra Beam wiper blade onto push-button wiper arms that are 16mm or 19mm wide when measured on the inside of the arm. For this installation, you will either need the F adapter for the 19mm arm or the G adapter for the 16mm arm. Both are located inside your wiper package. Step 1. To remove the base adapter, press down on the front end of the adapter. Use your thumb to lift the back end of the adapter up until it is disengaged. Step 2. For the 19mm arm, bring the F adapter up to the wiper blade. Line up the arrow on the adapter to the arrow on the wiper blade and press down firmly until you hear a click. For the 16mm arm, bring the G adapter up to the wiper blade and at an angle, insert the rod of the adapter into the first hole of the wiper blade's base holder. Once fully inserted, bring the back end of the adapter down. Step 3. For both the 19mm and 16mm arms, slightly tilt the adapter forward and bring up to the wiper arm. Insert the rectangular adapter from the top of the arm and slide down until the adapter's square button fits inside the square hole of the wiper arm. Step 4. Remove the squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website www.goodyearwiperblade.com.